Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently we are driving west from Spring Garden towards Rock Spring. Entering Rock Spring. The building to the left houses the post office. The road to the right here can take you to Burnt Hill, as well as to other communities such as Key Pond, Oxford Mountain, Stonehenge, Kinloss, Clarkstown. And if you are in search of Karambie Cave and Burnt Hill Caves, that is the road you'll take. This is a beaten road. On the right we are passing the Rock Spring Health Center, and just beside up that road we are passing the Spring Garden Seventh-day Adventist Church. There are several caves located up that road. Caves such as Prince Circuit Cave Sober Entrance, Swanga Cave, Pool Cave, Far Enough Cave, Good Hope 1 Cave, Good Hope 2 Cave, Too Far Stream Cave, Mount Maze Cave, Iron Maiden Cave, Artist Cave 1, Farmyard Cave, Crayfish Cave and Patching Cave. The road on the left is the flanker road. It is the same as the flanker to Rock Spring Road. The road to the right is the Duckerseed Road. You can also take the Duckerseed Road to get to the Cane Patch Sink Cave. On the left here is the other end of the flanker road. Entering Wilson Valley. The road on the left takes you to John Daggy. The road sign here also on the left says "Welcome to Wilson Valley" and indicates John Daggy Road is also on the left, which we have just passed, as well as Troy and Warsap is just ahead. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.